Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location, 1443 Banks Road. And what do we have today? Well, we have it covered. We do on a lot of trucks, but we haven't done it on this truck. We have done I'll go into details in a minute. By the way, if you have questions, which everyone does, give us a call. That's our telephone number. We actually have very good answers. By the way, as I'm walking over to the truck, just walk backwards so I can talk to you. I'm going to put the link of this product at the bottom of the YouTube video so you can click on it, get a pricing, stuff like that, even order if you need to. Also, while we're walking over, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, get it out of the way now. So here we are. Now we have a GMC Denali here, and this is they're top of the line with the Carbon Pro bed. Now the Carbon Pro bed is a lightweight bed. It helps reduce the weight of the vehicle, so it makes it a little quicker, a little better efficiency on fuel. And what did we put on there? Well, we had the latest edition of the Bak Flip MX4. Now, D, I want you to come around and swing around the truck. I want you to notice, first of all, it's very low profile. It sits right there in the bed. I know some covers sit on top of it. It looks like a big brick on it. Not this one, nice and low profile. It does have the new finish on it, which I like a lot. It's a little bit more black versus the other one was kind of like a two-tone going on. And again, this is made for the Carbon Pro bed. So again, let's swing around the front here and I'll go over a few things for you. Okay, by the way, Dee, one of our newest employees, are assistant manager, and she's helping out, and she's a great help for us since poor John is still out of the store for the moment, but he'll be back in a few weeks, and Dee's learning a lot, right, Dee?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go in here. Now, if you notice, this does have the multi-function tailgate, and I will at the end show you that it works together. So let's go into some basics. First of all, this has a 5-year manufacturer warranty from Real Truck. Now, there's a promotion going on right now, and if we install it for you, that 5 years goes to 10. Now, it has to be professionally installed by us, and it's part of a Real Truck program. Also, this has a 400-pound weight capacity. Now, that weight is evenly distributed, not 400-pound Uncle Louie standing in the middle. It's designed if you're putting things on top. So let's go in here and show you how it opens and closes. Now, you do have a left and right release mechanism. Why is that important? Well, if you're on this side of the vehicle and the traffic is on this side, you want to open the cover, you might want to go to the other side where it is safer. Now, so a lot of these covers only have one side release. This has a two. Also, if you look over here, you can see it does have a nice little double seal here, and that does a good job of keeping water out. Also, if you look here, this has a drainage system here, so if any water was to get past that seal I just mentioned to you, instead of going in the bed, it's going to catch in here and drain it out in the points in the front or points in the back. Now, as I open this up, you'll see this is a Carbon Pro bed. Now, if a lot of people buy these trucks and they don't even realize they have the Carbon Pro bed, and the benefit is, again, it's a lighter bed. The negative, there's a lot of products they don't make for this bed. But as you can see, this works in there and it actually bolts it in very nice. It actually attaches better than the steel bed, so it's really in there very good. I do like the setup on this. So now it is more work to install. I know a Real Truck, just like every other manufacturer, everything's 5 minutes to install. It's not. I think they say 30 minutes. It's never 30 minutes. It takes 20 minutes to open the box, So the reason they say that stuff is because they want you to buy it. They try to say it's really easy to do. It's not as easy as they say. Now, come back over here, Dee. Let's take a look here. Now, if you want to have this partially open or partially closed, depending on your point of view, you can. So let's go ahead and adjust this here. This locks right into that. Now, you always want to do both sides. So come over to the camera so you can kind of see how it's attached here. Just locks right in there. So you can drive on the highway with this setup here. You don't have to worry, as long as you do both sides, you don't have to worry about the wind catching it and closing it while you're driving. Now, when this is not in use, there's a little clip over here, and it just kind of slides underneath it. This way it's not hanging. Now, what's nice about this has the third fold. Now, this, if you notice, what's good about this cover, does not block the camera and the third brake light. Now, some covers will block it. This one does not. So now, of course, with the third fold is really nice because now you have the opportunity to put larger things in there. So you're off the bike week, you want to put your motorcycle back here, and you say, hey, I'm going to take my Harley a bike week, and I need more space in the bed. With this extra fold, you can do that. Now, if you swing the camera on here, you'll notice there's plenty of room in the bed, no problem whatsoever. So again, this is a great setup. I like this a lot. And now, again, with supports, got to do both sides. If you want to be in the highway. Another nice thing about sitting a little lower here, the wind is going to go over this very nicely. The aerodynamics on this is just perfect. Okay, and Go ahead and close it up. Now you don't need to slam these. You just close them normal. As you can hear, as I close it, it will lock in there very nicely. So, and again, we come around here. That looks good. And let's go close the tailgate. Now I want to show you the multi-function here. It's a tight fit, but as you can see, it works. So you can still use this. You can leave this closed. You can open and close this cover either way. You can close it first or close it after the fact. It works either way. Again, if you like this product, we can ship it anywhere in the country. You don't have to live here in Florida. This is a modern world here, so we're shipping the whole continental USA. Plus, we are also shipping to Hawaii, Puerto Rico, even Alaska now. And we have done some stuff outside the country, which is a little bit more work, but we have been making it happen. So again, if you like what you see, and you say, Chris, I want it, how do I get it? Again, I put a link at the bottom of the video. You can go right to the link or call me. Let's talk about what you're getting here. The reason I like when people call me like this customer did, because I have a lot of questions. What bed you have, what size bed it is, you know, year, make, model. I go over all those details with you. This way, whatever we get for you is the right one. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Bak Flip MX4 on the GMC Denali Sierra1500 with, real important, the Carbon Pro bed. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and swing one more time. Then we'll see how nice and low profile it is. It is one sharp looking cover. And again, thank you for watching our video.